Oh yeah, we used to do that, Janine. Remember? We used to touch our tongues. Now Elisa wants to do that.
No, I don't.
She's like,
Yeah. Elisa, you don't want to touch tongues with Juju?
Yeah.
Remember you did it with Mommy? Geraldo and I used to do that when we were little. We would go and let our tongues touch and we were like, gross! It was so much fun doing that.
Can we do it, Mommy?
Now you do it with Juju.
No, I don't want to touch an ear.
I know, it is gross.
yeah.
It is really gross. Hi, Christy.
Hi.
That is so gross, Elisa. Come on, what are you doing? Are you taking a picture or you... Oh.
Hold on, it won't go though. There we go. Yeah.
Oh, can I do that, Mommy?
Do what?
Take a picture with somebody else taking a picture?
Well, right now I am... Do not cover your face. Silly.
Linda.
We need to have a concert. You need to play some songs for Juju and show him how much more you have learned. All right.
Can we do a silly face contest?
I'm silly.
Okay, do a silly face.
Like this.
Can't believe how humid it is out here.
Do a monkey face. You ready?
Telling you. Elisa, let me see your monkey face.
Not a monkey face.
You don't have a monkey face? Make a monkey face.
Wait, I need that.
Oh gosh.
Are you taking pictures?
No, yeah, video.
Okay, look this way.
You just got the door. That was
Honey, you have a monkey face too? No monkey face? Oh, come on.
I'm gonna fall.
And hold on, it's coming.
It's the lighting outside.
Yeah, it keeps trying to focus.
All right, you can say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. All done. And we live happily ever after. The end.